Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Write a Resume. Writing a resume can be intimidating, but with a few simple steps, writing a resume can actually be quite easy. Let's get into it. In making a resume, first you start by putting your name at the top in bold, your first, middle, and last, and in a size that is about 8 to 10 bigger than the rest of the resume. If the resume is size 12 font, for example, then you need to make your name at the top 20 or 22. Then put your cell phone, your email, and your city and state. With your email, make sure it looks professional by putting your name at whatever domain it is. If you do not have one of these yet, make one with just your first and last name at the domain. That way, it both looks professional and you have one place that all of your online resumes and such can go to. After that, you can move on to the summary. In the summary, you should have 3 to 4 lines that kind of just describe who you are, your experience, your skills, and your passions. Notice here we have the first sentence, which says, dedicated and self-driven college graduate with over 5 years of experience working in the area of marketing and customer service. Notice here you kind of have a little bit about yourself that would make yourself appealing to a job, dedicated and self-driven. Then you have a college graduate, which suggests that you just recently graduated college. And then you state your experience working in a certain area. After that, in the second sentence, you list some of your skills. Here we have problem solving, customer relations, public speaking, and teamwork. Obviously, this will have to be adjusted for whatever job area that you are going into. The third sentence says passionate about providing great customer service and helping customers find the best product for your needs. The purpose of this sentence is to make you stand out about what you're passionate about this particular job area. In the area of customer service, for example, this one is great customer service and helping customers find the best product. After you write your summary, you can then move on to skills. Your skills are just about 10 to even 20 skills that will help you stand out on a job application. Here you have customer service, customer relations, organization, interpersonal skills, project management, leadership, public speaking, problem solving, schedule management, passionate, proactive, innovative. Each of these words are to describe yourself and what you can do in some way. Obviously, this will change depending on your job, but make sure that it aligns with who you are and what you like to do, as well as what your actual skills are. After that, we can move on to professional experience. This is where you put your experience. Here we have 2 examples, company 1 and volunteer. Put this here so that you can see what it will look like for both a company and a non-employment type thing like a volunteer. In company, we notice we have what job was, customer service representative, and then 2 lines about what you did. Helped customers resolve various issues with the company's products or website, and run tech support as needed. Notice here that it is short, simple, and gets the point across in just a few lines. Same thing with volunteer. You say what your job was, volunteered to help promote an awareness event, then 3 things you did. Went door to door, helped set up and take down the event, and assisted those attending the event. Remember here that these do not have to be that long, and they shouldn't be, because you're just wanting to give them a quick glance at what you have done. If they want more information, that would be for an interview. But right now, you're just trying to get your foot in the door by saying basically what you can do. Finally, we have education. There are 2 types of basic education, college and high school. Basically, just put your college, your degree, and then when you graduate. If you would like, you can also put things like honors or awards right next to graduated. For example, you would just say graduated in 2004, summa cum laude, with whatever award. Or high school, you would put your high school, city, state, graduated, and then if you want to put any awards or clubs that you were a part of that would pertain to your job, you may do so next to graduated. And that is how to make a resume. Please enjoy writing your resume and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and recommend us to a friend.